literally so cold right now. Okay, I'm ready. Fit check.
Everything out of
Oh my god, you literally changed again?
Yeah.
How many times did you change?
This is my 8th top.
This top is from Aritzia. I just got it. It is so cute. And I'm just wearing this like white bralette under it. And then these shorts are from Garage. I need lip gloss. Can we leave soon? This eyeliner literally took me 12 tries to do. Did it? And then I was like,
Kind of grumpy.
I was. Don't have any dry shampoo either.
Over there.
Where is it? I've been looking for this all morning. Just like shop thrifted yours.
Probably that.
It's literally gonna be, it's like gonna be like 35 degrees Celsius. Oh, I didn't even mention what was going on. We are going to Grace's pop-up shop. She has the Instagram shop thrifted this where she finds like thrifted stuff and she resells them, and she's doing a little pop-up and we are gonna help with it. She actually got up at 4:45 and left, and I got up at 5:45. Yeah, they pulled an all-nighter.
We watched Mamma Mia 2 and straightened our hair for 3 hours.
Everyone shop thrifted this! Shop thrifted this! Ew. Oh.
That's my retainer. I won't.
I didn't even mention the long table that's in my car.
Not surprised.
I don't even mention it. Can you hold that thing?
Oh, I was hoping you'd ask.
Her.
You look so good. I'm trying to like hide.
Someone like say something to hype me up.
Can you like put a beep over it?
Yeah.
Whoa, dolphin.
Woke up at 4:45 to Grace's alarm. She didn't get up, so I was like, Grace, get up. Then she went back to sleep. And then I was like, Grace, get up. And then she was like, okay, yes, I'm getting up. I have to get up. She went back to sleep.
I came into her room at 5:08.
Hi, can I please have a venti almond milk, iced venti almond milk latte?
Okay, this next one is quite confusing. I'll say it slow, okay? Venti black iced tea, sweetened with whole milk, brown sugar syrup, and white mocha.
Brown sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar and then whole milk and white mocha.
Grace gave us a Starbucks gift card this morning. No, wait, does it look like I'm smiling?
Are you?
Yeah.
So you know Snapchat how it just updated and like everyone gets.
Yeah. She has like a thrift. Oh, yours. Sorry.
I'm like-
Sorry.
So Sadie set it up for herself really weirdly. So
I didn't set anything up.
okay,
I didn't
well
change anything.
something happened and hers looks like this.
And everyone else is so pretty.
Everyone's is so
Why did that have to happen to me? Like, why did they have to pick me? Any goodbye messages?
peace, love, and harmony. That's how I always sign off.
Bye. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Wait, what? Good morning. This is sick. I was really hoping you got a coffee. Yeah, I did. Okay, good. Hi. I feel like I should do something more interesting. Yay. I just organized both of these. Oh, I need to do t-shirts. It's so cute. Okay, so we have here shoes. I folded all of these. Please praise me. Gucci. Cute little mannequin. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite table. Or that one. We've been open for hours. We've actually had so many people come in and buy stuff already.
It was so it's been so successful. I'm shocked.
We've just been making TikToks. Abby and I literally have been saying the same exact TikTok song and doing the same dance for like 2 days straight. Comment down below if when you make a TikTok, do you like rewatch it 12 million times? Because that's literally what I do. Boom, ah, do, boo, 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 boo.
That's the best part.
Jaka, jaka, ba, ba. This is a little street and it's all pink. Have these cute little chairs. POV, you're a customer. Hand sanitizing station. Boom, boom, boom. Come over here and pay. It's our little square. Me posting an Instagram. What do I caption this? Tell me what the caption. Comment down below what I should have captioned it. right now my Angel Energy iOS icon pack just launched and I'm doing all the promo for it. We have new customers, but yeah, so we just launched it. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. And a little promo, minimal design. I'm using it on my phone right now. Super cute.
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. So basically, Sadie's like, I was like,
You know, no problem with a battery, sorry.
so we drive 25 minutes to Best Buy, as anyone would. And sitting in the parking lot making some TikToks, and then we're like, all right, let's just like do our order thing. And then we realize like, so she picks up her purse and opens her purse, and what do we see? It is a fully charged battery, full battery, ready to go in our purse.
In my purse.
In her purse. She literally picked up the purse when we were at the pop-up to go to Best Buy to get, a battery. And the battery was in the purse that she had in her hand. Your brain.
So we're like the people who do the errands for the shop after this pop-up. We're literally always driving, like getting coffee, getting food. We had to get like a square. So many people are there. Like it is doing so well. And she literally had to go out and get more clothes. I didn't like my hair, so now I have this situation.
Stunning!
It's stuck.
Can you go greet everyone at Shop with this looking like that?
Just got back from the hair salon. No, help. Help.
She's like, guys, I don't like my hair. Then turns it into this.
Oh my gosh, my semi-dress and and the sunflower shorts that I painted in my YouTube video sold. To Katie, shout out to Katie. My hair just came out. Say hi. And we just took photos and we both hate them. It's like really sweaty in here. And there's also this fly that keeps coming and like biting our faces. It's super cute. She's our hostess at Boston Pizza.
Hi. That's all I have.
Her posture is so good.
We're bringing Grace back a salad.
This is the impression of the serial killer of the murderer in the movie we watched yesterday.
Can you remember? Greg.
Tell a secret to the vlog. Okay, guys, follow Sadie, subscribe to her. She's literally the best YouTuber ever. She made her say that after. Yeah, no, I'll pay you later. I'll pay for you. I tried on some American Apparel shorts from Shop Thrifted this. I love them. And they're like stretchy. The price tag. So I'm gonna be buying them right now. I got 50% off because I am a VIP employee. That's a little transaction.
Would you like to pay debit, credit, or cash today?
I would love to pay debit.
I would be thrilled to do that for you. We're gonna press charge. For this satisfying sound?
I leave with the shorts on, like look. She leaves with the LV bag.
Those.
I don't know that they're new.
Billy, it would be 20 bucks because you get half off.
Hello. Hi. We are outside of the pop-up shop. It's super hot. We just bonded over diabetes. And Joe Jonas. No, Nick Jonas. I said the wrong name. Nick Jonas, if you're watching this, love you. I'm a really good fan.
Love you.
Congrats on the Super Bowl commercial.
Yes.
Hi. Oh, that was the cutest thing I ever seen. Your house is such good lighting. Look, I woke up today and I was like, wow, I have acting. So, I did acting in Abby's room and it's actually really good because the lighting is really good in there. Now I have my self-tapes and they're uploading right here, which we're gonna have to use my hotspot in the car to upload them. I've just been answering emails and they've been watching Mamma Mia. I'm gonna wear all of Abby's clothes. These are Abby's sweatpants and Abby's shirt. That's not me, that was you.
Oh, okay.
It was the stain. I just got another audition, so I'm gonna need someone to help me rehearse. Bailey, Abby, and I are going to drive to my apartment, get some more clothes, come back to my house, swim, and have a fire. The next day I have my hair appointment, which means I'm getting balayage. So I'm gonna definitely vlog that as well, but it might not be included in this one. I might include it in the weekends vlog. Stay tuned for that.
Bye. You guys are going back.
Sadie has asked me to film.
No!
This is my drink.
Get out!
This is Sadie's drink. This is my frog. This is Sadie. Found her. Am I getting good content? These are my clothes.
I can vibrate my eyes. Wait, ready, film it?
No, you did. Oh, you did!
I did. I know, special talent.
Ew, 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 ew.
My nail fell off.
Yeah, we're gonna go drive to the funeral for her now.
I wanted to explain what happened in my acting class. I did the scene. It was from the TV show Normal People. My acting coach asked me to do this take, and it was like as if it was a super close-up shot. And for close-up shots, you could like barely move your head, so I really had to stay still, like go at a really slow pace. Every single thought that you have, like every glimpse of thought, the camera will take up. I really like that class.
If you just happen to be a server at that place, we apologize.
Yeah.
Because we probably told every single server what we want. One person be like, can we get water? One person be like, can we get vinegar? This food comes out and then there's wontons on it and she can't have wontons. And then this other server's walking by, she's like, excuse me.
And I'm like, can't eat this. So don't take us to a restaurant because we'll tell every single server what we desire. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.